Hey guys, I'm Avail back again with another video. This time let's compare the display and sound quality of these two devices, this Micromax in Note 2 and this Redmi Note 11. Both of these devices, they come in the same price range and they come with AMOLED screens. So we'll see that if there is any significant difference when we compare the displays and the sound quality. So if you're thinking of buying any of these two devices, then I believe that this video is going to help you. And if it does, then do let me know in the comments. And before we start, if you're new to my channel, then do hit the subscribe button to watch more videos, and if you've already subscribed, a big thank you to all of you guys. So let's get started. Both of these devices, they come with 6.43-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED panels and they are looking good. But apparently if you check, this Redmi Note 11 looks more well calibrated compared to this in Note 2. Another difference is that this Redmi Note 11 comes with a peak brightness of 700 nits and this one is at 550 nits. So outdoor visibility will be to some extent better on this Redmi Note 11. Now let's play some videos and we'll see that how significant will be the viewing experience on these two devices. Let's play this YouTube video on these two. Let me tell you one thing. I found that on this Redmi Note 11, this video quality limitation is at 1080p at the moment. So I believe that this will be fixed very soon. On this in Note 2, you can actually go up to higher resolution. Here you can see 2160p. Now let's keep it at 1080p so that we'll get a fair comparison. Okay, now let's play this video. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and you observe first of all and let me know what is your observation. Okay. So apparently you can see that, let me know your thoughts in the comments obviously, but let me tell you one thing, what I can see here, apparently it is having, the contrast ratio is on the higher side here compared to this Redmi Note 11, you can see this, yeah, and it is actually looking a bit, what I can say, cool compared to this one. It is having warmer tones, this in Note 1, and you can see that the HDR effect is looking better on this one compared to this one. Yeah, it is a bit oversaturated according to me. It is also looking good, but I can say that this one is well calibrated, this Redmi Note 11. The shades, the black shades, the vibrant colors, they're looking better on this one. Yeah, so you let me know your observation. Here again you can see that the colors, they are looking a bit over saturated, and the sharpness is also on the higher side on this in Note 2. Yeah, so you can see this. Yeah, the black, the black is actually looking darker on this one. Yeah, you can see this. Yeah, and as I said, this one is well calibrated compared to this one. So why I'm telling you, let me show you that difference now. Now let's play this video to show you what I meant when I say, this one, Redmi Note 11 is better calibrated compared to this, in Note 2. Particularly, you can observe that difference when you, watch human objects, the complexion of skin particularly, you can see the difference. Okay, let me play that. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. You can observe this, that this one is having some kind of reddish effect. Yeah, particularly the skin tone you can observe, whereas this one is looking natural, I would say. So that's why it is well calibrated compared to this one. And another thing, when I say, better HDR effects on this one, it's not like that these two devices, they come with HDR, playback, but actually I meant the dynamic range here. Okay, so what I said, yeah, this is better calibrated. You can see the skin tone, the complexion is reddish on this one. Okay, so it can be a personal preference, but this is what I have observed. This is actually looking more natural compared to this one. So what do you think about it? Let me know. Now let's check on the sound quality. This one, Redmi Note 11, comes with dual speakers at the bottom as well as at the top.
and it comes with higher resolution audio certification, whereas this one, this in Note 2, comes with just one bottom firing speaker and no certification of audio quality. Now let's play the music and we'll see that which one is louder. First of all, let's start with this in Note 2.
Jeans and shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's
Now let's play this one.
a pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door.
So definitely this one is a bit louder than this one in Note 2, and I can say that the sound quality also better on this one. Now let's check it.
And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
Now this is the maximum volume, and I can say that there is no distortion, and the bass and treble balance is really good. Now let's play this one.
It's not enough. I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
So you can see that obviously this one is having a better overall sound quality. The bass is more on this one compared to this one, and there is a minor, very minor distortion can be heard from this one in Note 2. So guys, this is my opinion. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments. So guys, finally I can say that both are actually having good displays, this in Note 2 and Redmi Note 11, but to some extent this one is well calibrated. As a result, you will see natural colors. Oversaturation is not very significant on this one, but it is actually significant, very significant on this in Note 2. Particularly if you observe the skin tones, the complexion of skins, then you will actually see that this is really having some kind of weird effect, okay? But this one is well calibrated. And in terms of sound, this is the clear winner because it is having the 12 speakers setup, whereas this one is not having that. Plus it is having this high resolution audio certification, which is missing on this one. So guys, I believe that this video is going to help you if you are thinking of buying any of these two devices. And in terms of display and sound, this is the winner according to me. So let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if you end up liking my videos, then do subscribe to watch more videos. And those who have already subscribed, again, a big thank you to all of you guys. So till the next video guys, cheers.